Hello, how Nadine? How are you, my people? How are you, talkers, Jace lovers? How are you, gossipers? How are you, apropos people? How Nadine? How Nadine? Good afternoon, Sister Mercy. How are you? Now, wow. How Nadine? Usas, I'm seeing you over there. How are you? The harding as spine man. How you dey? Good afternoon, my people. Ijori, how you dey now? How dey? Good afternoon. I say me I can follow na gist before I could go network. Ah! You see this? You see work, eh? Good morning. Please don't let them sack me from my work. Eh? Are you at work? Who go try and sack you? Ah, me sef I dey spile at work, oh, but I don't just concentrate. I don't dey concentrate 100%. I'll just dey look. I don't go do another thing. I'll just dey look. No, I not dey do that one. I dey spile dey look if it's important. Oh. If I know. Thank you, Sister Mercy. If I know say na important thing, I'll just offer quack me. But thank God. How are you, Julie? The kind of work when I dey do now, it allow me to be say I dey get time. But yesterday I not fit come on live. Sleep could take me for work. Now see, madam where they work, they talk about sleep for night. It's very good, my people. Work is good, but sometimes you will also not have too much time for many things. You also your time go dey limited like that, packed together. Good afternoon. How are you, Sister Desuwa? How you dey? Mama want to play with us today afternoon. Yes, so I want follow na play. Which kind of play na want me to play now? I want follow na play. You don't like play. All works are no play. Make Jack say dog boy. When I'm at work and you are online, I put my phone in my pocket. I just listen, but I don't comment. What do you do? Hey, happy. How are you, my darling? I know that you'll be angry with me. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Tomorrow and Saturday, I will not be working. We are going to have time to do our long gossip like we normally do. Tomorrow, I'm not at home. I'm at home. I will not be working in the night. But today, at the work, I just come shortly. Then from 6 o'clock, I will not be there. I will not be at home tomorrow morning. I love my work. I normally work 6 or 7 days in the row like that. Then I will also break and take 6 or 7 days in the row. Sometimes 3 days work, 3 days break. It's good for me. Sometimes I get time for myself too. And if I dey work, the anxiety say, oh, I'll quick on go work. Just like, no, make me sit down. Say, let me do a live video. Like, let me do a makeup and come and sit down and have a chat with you guys. Whatever, the quick me. I'll say, I beg just now. I beg. I'll soon come on to man. They go. Which one can be the one where I come? They do makeup. Long time, Peter. How are you? My people, you see, I want to quickly talk about the video that is going around, the video that is going viral, that Ambassador Dion Saige, where you do concerning ladies. Yo, sister, my lady, I dey call you, you know the pick phone. Dora in Munich, please contact me. Contact me, because that husband material where he come that day, he is already disturbing me. Now 2 times he don't call. I tell him he call today. He don't call today at the sleep the time we take call. Try to contact me. Let me know whether make I give her your number. I be make I not give her. I love you too. You are blessed too, Sister Patience. Whether me I give her your number, me I not give her your number. Una see that matter where concern 24 girls are dying for me. With the Onosagi. Let me go and look for it. He said 24 girls are dying for me. 24 ladies are dying for me. I only love 3 inside. He said, I'm in love with only 3 of them and 24 are dying for me. Hi! Ladies, una fall our hand, ciao. Una 2 forehand. And so, mama, yes. Dion said I should bring that woman. I did not hear that one. Is that what he said? All right. Which woman? The one that was crying that day that you want him? That one don't disturb me, Tayawo. Mama, has Dion not called you? Has Dion Saige don't called you? What did he say? Did he say he wants me? Did he say he likes me back? Have you showed him my picture? Even send picture. Come, mama, tell him I'm very hot. Tell him I never born. Tell him he will enjoy with me. Tell him we will fly the whole world together, mama. Tell him I'm very ready to fly the whole world with him. I say, you are ready to fly the whole world. Has he accepted you? He don't already tell you say he wants you. Hey, you see that video the Onosage did? There is a big point where that guy made for inside there that I like. Oh. There is a powerful point he make. Although many people come they fight him, comment section, you know no comment as the word that be like, maybe now not job. Wow. You get what the person they do we comment as they like. No. There must be a person who will come and be shaking your eyes, shaking your nose, shaking your nyash, shaking all part of your body. They can't tell you say what you are doing is wrong or what you are doing is not right. You are saying it badly, you are corrupting the public, you are somebody, that's what public is. That's why I don't get angry with those things. It's normal, it's public. When you ask, you will find. So if I'm not ready to find, I don't ask. How I'm doing fine, sister number Harry. If I'm not ready, say I want find, I know the ask. So now when I know say I go find, now I go the ask question. And I go ready for what to follow. According to one guy this afternoon, say wait for commenters, they are coming for you, Rita. Oh, good afternoon. How you doing? Hey, 24 women, they love one man. Man love 3 back inside. We don't suffer. It's not good at all. And then, love you too, love. They get one point where Dionosage make. I love the way it surprised me the way men come the last round. They say, oh, you are too proud. Oh, you are too this. You are too that. The truth of the matter, men, let me go back to that Dion video. Let me go back. I'm sorry to use your content, but permit me, I'm a relationship talker. I talk about relationship, and that video that you did is a very good relationship video. All right? This one, that one, you was not taking care of Edo State. You know they clean number markets for there. Not be Oba markets you they clean, but you was talking about strictly relationship, which I'm very much interested in. If I see video like that, I normally go close to it. I normally take it. I normally want to discuss it. I normally want to enjoy it too, because it's good. I will learn something from it. 1 or 2 things I must learn. I must learn that for inside. I hope they never delete that video. Oh, I was notified that an unknown lady in Sweden called into Rita Ayememo TV, professing her love for me. I personally respect any woman that is bold and confident enough to speak her mind. I look forward to speaking with her soon. Rita, over to you. Really? For every woman there is a man. Some women are just too blind to see them. Wow! Ambassador Dion Osage TV. I love both ladies. Ladies who can... You know, these days, it's very uncommon for you to see a woman walking up to a man and saying, I like you. And men, they love it. Hey! But they pretend, but they like it. Especially these days where we do so. Men like it a lot. When they can find a woman. You see, this, if I tell you, say, this post where Osige, that woman where confess love for Dion Osage for that video, for that my video that day. If I tell you, say, Dion Osage belle go drink 20 Merida before they break, you know, believe me. He belle they drink Merida. Oh, I they do hook up. I know the way men say they come they heartbroken when woman don't need them. Reject one man and see how many 10 men will come. 10 men will come for you and be beating you and be fighting you and be saying, why you say you don't want the man? Why you not like the man? He better pass her. Now so not they waste on time. Now so not go dead there now I'll come old. When I carry 200 years, nobody they carry una. All na body parts go slack. Everything go come liquidate. That time now come they found and want put her for a body. This is how men react to women. Most cases. Not be so that they react to women. You see all of them coming after you in their millions and fighting you and beating you. And you know, just fall into the hands of men. There is one post I posted one day concerning a woman. The woman was sitting on the floor. I say, come and see men, how they were unleashing their anger. Now I tell you, say, men are not happy with you people. Women, buckle up. Oh, hey. Men are not happy with us. I'm telling you guys the truth. They are not happy with us. If you ask them to write one sentence concerning a woman, they will write 300. That time, now you go come to say, men sabi write like this. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm different. I see you online. Now see me, I call you.
Eh.
I need your little help. Get one picture of the one sent for the same you see one posting for your wall. So
send a con. I did like video. Send a con. So that you don't break my topic. Send a con.
Okay. Alright, now just send it. Thank you.
Send a con. Merci. Just do one thing. Wait, be say men not like. May you see how many men will come after you. All of them, they will compress your truth. They will decompress your truth. They won't bring out your gullet. They will strangulate you. Hey, men. Now so their life be. If they shit on one woman, you will see all of them gathering together and saying, can't you tolerate? Did your mother tolerate? Eh? Your mother not sabi tolerate for your papa house. Why are you people not being like your mothers of those days? That's how they will be behaving. They want a woman who can tolerate their mess. Hey! If man see that kind of women, they know they use and play. Then, by the time we're busy, a woman will come fuck up. Like one video I was watching some days ago where a woman cheated on the husband. She brought a man into the husband matrimonial bed, which is bad. I am not supporting that. That is wrong. It's the extreme a woman can do to a man. To come and bang another man in your husband's bed is the extreme you can do. Psychologically, you have ruined that person. He will never be the same again. It's mental. You not going to ever even trust any woman again. You'll be using women as, as sex toys. Now, so you continue to use women. That man, if he survived that thing, will they use women as sex toys? See them. Most of them have not even received such a treatment. See how some of them are treating women, not to talk of now. You see? So, my people, that is it. They will be lashing that woman, they will be beating that woman, they will be compressing that woman, they will be they all want to kill you. That is the men we are seeing these days. They don't tolerate nonsense from women anymore. And they don't know our tricks. Dionosage, all my village people are in love with you. So that woman is there, Dionosage, she really wants you. She really is confessing love for you. Don't worry, you're going to get my call. I'm going to call you personally on your private, and I'm going to introduce her to you if you really want. I know so many people will beat me for this one. Rita, why are you doing this? But one thing I will encourage before this one, when I listened to the video Dionosage did, this very video, I believe 100% if you ask me that Dionosage is still very in much with that lady, Winnie. Yeah. Usage love Winnie so much. He still love Winnie, oh. All these women. Men not can give una belle, oh. You not can take responsibility. You go meet the woman where he love, oh. Yeah. He go meet the woman where he love, oh. Now one thing where women supposed to be careful of. He can give you belle. You go meet the woman where he love. Oh, I'm looking for that post. Please, if somebody find it, can you send it to my WhatsApp? I be don't delete her. Bloggers not the carry and they go, they don't narrate her. I'm looking for that video that he did to say 24 women are in love with me. Where did they put that video? I wanted to analyze that video. I'm not seeing it. Oh, it's unfortunate I'm not seeing it. Please, if you find that video, please send it to my WhatsApp number, Nana. Men that lack confidence feel threatened by confident women. Yes. Please, if you have that video, send it to me. That video, where you come the talk, say 24 women are in love with me. Many men, you guys, you went there to that post of that Dionosage, you went to condemn him. Una de lash am, una say na, you said he's too proud. His pride is too much. Yes. You know one thing, I love outspoken people. People where they speak their mind. They are less dangerous than people who don't speak their mind. If you see a person who is very outspoken and they feel they talk, everything where they mind, even if the word one can condemn mind, don't care. Those people are not harmful. They are not bad. They are not dangerous. You see people who don't talk their mind. Instead of telling you it's A, they will tell you it's B. Instead of telling you it's B that they really wanted, they will tell you it's C. Oh my God. These people, you can be in a relationship with them for 20 years. You never know their heart. You will never know their mind. Yes, you can see that, oh, my man is proud, my man is this, but they don't open up and talk. I love men who talk. For real. If you have a man who is outspoken and is talking, please, keep him. I'm telling you. You just need small work to do on that man and you guys will be fine. You just need small work to do on that man and you guys are going to be fine. But you see the man who don't open up his heart and tell you everything inside, you have a very big problem. And you have issues. And that relationship is going to end up crashing. I'm telling you people the truth. I know that some people don't talk. Naturally, some people are quiet. But not when it comes to a person that you love. When you have a person... You see, Dionosage, the possibility of settling with the wife is very high. It's very high. If you don't know it. The possibility of Dionosage and Winnie coming back is very high. Because the men, now they get married. Because when a man wants you, they will get you. Yes. When a man wants you, they will get you. When you are divorced or you are separated, when you distance separate to now, or I don't know what, and that relationship not tire that man, the possibility of you guys coming back again is very high. It's high. It's very high. Yes. Forget, say, Winnie might have known another man will come to the middle or wherever. Single mothers, if your baby papa still wants you back, he will get you, even when he have another wife. Although men, they overlook this one. Some men who don't also know how to use the power of a man in them. They don't know how to use the manlish power in them. There's also a power God gave to men. But when it now come to this Europe life, when we say we don't do Europe, some of them, they believe, say, oh, they believe, say, una don't get money. They feel threatened with the stability of the woman. They feel threatened with the lifestyle of the woman. They cannot longer communicate and talk and use the power of a man in them anymore. They'll be looking into the finance of the man, of the woman. They'll be looking into the financial status of the woman that the woman does not even look at and consider. The men will be looking into this area. Finance, the woman get money. They'll be looking at her ego. They'll be looking at her behavior. They cannot bring out those characters that suppresses the arrogancy in a woman anymore. Good morning. How are you, Vivian? They cannot bring out this character that suppresses the arrogancy or the problematic nature of a woman. This man cannot bring out this character anymore because of what he has in his sense to say. You are working, you have money, you have a car, you have a driving license, you have documents, you have everything, you have a house in Africa, you're feeling proud. They don't do that anymore. But the truth of the matter is that this single mother will just for everywhere. So if your baby papa really wants you, they will settle with you and they will get you back. If they really know how to use the power in them, they will get you back. But if you as a woman, in another way, you want to use the power of a woman for that man, yes, you can get the man to sleep with you, but he will not do anything with you. Yes, he will not do anything with you. He will not marry you. He will not marry you and call you his wife. But he can sleep with you. He can sleep with you. That is it. Somebody say, "Now lie, Rita, it depends on the situation of divorce." That one is understood. If you are separated on a normal ground, there are separations that is caused by the man misbehaved. You know, not the woman like that. You know, say most separation sometimes it will come from the woman. The woman go say, "I can't take shit anymore. I'm tired of taking shit. I'm tired. I'm very tired. I don't want." The woman will move ahead. You go. And the man go and marry another woman. Even after that woman, if he wants to come back to you, sometimes, if na man we really know is safe, sometimes it's possible. Sometimes, I'm not saying in all cases. So you cannot say it's a lie, Rita. No. It's not in all cases. But let me tell you, in many, many cases, it will work. The man will still settle with you. You see this Dionosage and this Winnie also. Now after they make example. The way me they look their relationship, the way I'm saying it, if Dionosage want to settle with Winnie, because of the way the man is showing his love, and everyone is saying it that he love Winnie very well. Una say don't get woman where they sleep with since then, or I don't know. I'm just saying. But he cannot showcase the woman to the world. He cannot bring the woman out for us. People are guessing. Is this one? Is that one? Is that one? There is a person somewhere who wants Donnie to come and showcase her right now. To say, it's me, I'm the woman. But the guy is not doing that for some certain reasons. You know? But he's still showcasing the ex-wife we live on. So there is big love inside there. The ability of them coming back is very high. It's high. So, Osage don't talk in mind. He said, I'm only in love with 3. He never said, I'm going to marry 3. He said, but 24 women loves me. And I'm in love with 3. And if you are among those 24, be careful so that your belly will not be used as a punching bag. And you come and try to us social media or tag so that we start settling matter we don't know as it happen. We start settling. I love the reality in him. Although many people they say and say na arrogancy, na this one, na that one. That one is a big reality that guy is spitting. If you be one of the women where they crush on him, go and listen to that video. It's a big reality. That video will help you to make decision. That video will help you to decide. That video will make you know your stand. That video will make you know where you go. How far you will go with that man. So I don't accept disvalue or disrespect for relationship. But I love people who talk. Talkers, people who talk. And I believe this is what 80% of women like. Not be say go just talk too much, go, you know, like victimizing you every time, insulting you. No, I'm talking about a person who know how to express themselves. I know there are many women who love this kind of a person in a relationship. Now not like a man where they express himself, go they talk. He will just tell you, you see this thing that you did, you see this, they don't hide anything. I'm not talking about when you are in a proper relationship, marriage. People who talk, a man who don't hide anything from you, a man where they hide a lot of things from you. Which one do you love more? Which one do you have the ability of falling in love? Women are moved by what they hear. It's only when women hear. He said faith comments by hearing. The faith a woman will have on a man is when she continue to hear. Not be Bible talk. I say faith comments only by hearing. So you build faith in a person when you hear them more. That is why you trust your friend. The time you hear your friend talking, you guys have constant conversation. Every time you're always together and they talk and they interact, you will not be building faith in that your friend. You will not be trusting that your friend. Ordinary friend, don't be even man where they put you for bed this time around. Ordinary friend, you will not be trusting them. Not to talk of man. So men, we know they communicate with their women. If you are not communicating, you are killing the love a woman has for you. Because she will never know your heart. She will never know how deep your heart is. She will never know what is inside. The woman will be left in the middle of nowhere. She will be thinking, maybe not this one they think. Maybe not this one they think. Or maybe not this one they do. You give a person reason to be believing in 300 things about you. Whereas, what you are dealing with or fighting with is something else. So people will talk and say communication for relationship is very important. I love outspoken people. I'm an outspoken woman. I speak. I talk. So definitely, I also love people who talk. When something is not alright with me, somebody like me, the kind of woman where I be, I speak. I talk. The only way I can be happy to start with is when I talk to start with. I can never be happy if I don't talk. You want to kill me. If people are compressing me to say don't talk, I become violent. I become very wicked. I become bad. I become rude. I become arrogant. Because you didn't allow me to express myself. I don't like it. It they make my head grow dada. If you don't let me talk, you don't let me express myself. All those ones what they do. For Africa those days, say be patient, don't talk, don't worry, be patient. It's not for everyone, no. It's not for everyone. Some people wait 2 days patient, we know they talk, you go they bear and. If you carry their head put for machine, they know they pass psychological test. Like they know they pass on. They know they pass on. Do you know everyday happiness in your life is when you are able to be expressing yourself? It's the only joy you have. You'll be happy because you express yourself. Now so it still be when be say partner where they follow you, they go. They also they express yourself. Whether not your wife or men also, then they like women where they talk, where they open up. They love responsible women, yes. Loyal women, yes, but outspoken women. I was listening to one guy this afternoon, Pere, where they BB Niger. BBN Niger. BBC was interviewing him live. When BBC they interview him live, I heard the guy say something. He said, I love a woman who is outspoken, a person who can talk. They say that is what motivates me in a woman. He said that is one thing that she loves inside that woman. Way two of the hunger that did it. He said, now that one can't make me like the woman because she's outspoken as she's speaking. This is what I like. Personally, this is what I like. Even if na friend that they follow they go, if na friend we no sabi talk, I know they like him. He said in me. I hear thing no. I know they personally I know they like him. I love not be said to just they talk anyhow, they talk rubbish or nonsense. I love people who make meaningful conversation. Conversation that I go feel gain something from at the end of the day. I will be proud and I will be happy to say, wow, I just finished talking with a person. There's a lady in Canada that I normally talk to like that. And UK, I have two ladies, one in UK, one in Canada. After finishing talking to them, they can take my whole day, they didn't do me anything. But when I finish talking with them, I'll be like best way chop and the damn. I love those kind of conversation, those kind of talk, those kind of communication. But for our Africa level, they kill them. Where communication on the secret where they keep for one another. I will keep a secret in Nigby. Obiaga keep a secret in Ohu. Ohuoga keep a secret in Nubia. All of them go they manage themselves. They go manage. Oh my God. It's damaging. I'm telling you, it's very damaging. Secret for a side relationship is a giant killer. Secret when they keep. Man where you not fit trust. Woman where you not fit trust is a giant killer of a relationship. If they kill and like say motto they kill something for road, everything will just die off. The willingness for that man or the woman, it go die off. But when a person is talking to you, outspoken, the way it be, they talk, how do you feel, for example, when your man receives his salary and open up his book and say, my wife, you see, this is my salary. I'm just making an example. This is my salary. You see the salary when I received this month. I received 2,000 or 3,000 euros. I will do this with this. I will do that with this. I will do that with this. I will do that with this. I'll do this. Watch my plan, my wife. This is what I want to achieve this month. I know say some people will say, hey, if you tell woman that kind of thing. But I believe you me. Any woman will they follow do that kind of thing. That woman can never love you less. Not be only for money matter, for everything. A person you open up to. Now so it still be for woman. Where they open up for man. Where they let man they know all her income. Where they let man they know the truth about her financial life. Where they let man they know the truth about her family life. Where they let man they know the truth about how she dey waka, how she dey do things, how she dey do her life. The only people who will fall in love with you are people who trust you. Finish. Person who does not trust you will never fall in love with you. Forget love. It takes only trust for love to come. So if person not trust you, Abi? Yeah. Yes, we are not talking at the beginning of a relationship. We are talking of a standard relationship. A relationship that is going. Not the person where you they meet. To even start with self, relationship of a person where you they meet, you even need truth. How are you going to keep the relationship if there's no truth inside? By the time you tell the man, say, now one picking I get, later I can't find out, say, now 3 you get. You just shot yourself in the leg, and I never even start a relationship. Voila has started already. Is that not it? So, Vicente, una don't come again, Nigerian youths. Nigerian wahala. Let me tell you, now that one be just the something. That's the truth of the matter. Honest people. If you check relationship, where they go 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. There is a big amount of patience, big amount of honesty, trust, and everything. But when trust and honesty not today inside, that relationship not go last 3 years. There is no relationship that can last up to 3 years without trust and honesty. 3 years is too big. 3 years is a milestone now. 3 years is a milestone. Thank you, Faith. 3 years now milestone. Person go you the relationship with somebody. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You go they look and say, how this man they waka, how this woman they waka. How they do is something. Like what one woman told me to say, I've never seen the payslip of my husband in my eyes for the past. He started doing this job for 5 years now. I've not seen that payslip. In my eyes, I don't even know how much he's receiving. Is this normal, Rita? You want that kind of woman to love you? Forget about love. Don't think it. Not think her. You know the truth is bitter. Please forget about love. In that kind of a relationship, don't think about love. If you think about love, you'll be talking about love. You'll be wasting your time to think or talk about love. I'm telling you, it's not about giving the person your money. It's about how do you sincerely open your heart to these people? How do you make them to know you? This is how you know people. How do you make them to know you? Finish. There's no way. This person does not know you. And if a person can possibly not fall in love with a person they don't know, it's impossible. They don't know. So many relationships, the reason why basically everybody can't coexist, people are not coexisting. Because I call it coexistence. What I see, 80% of what I see these days is coexistence. It's not real relationship. Coexistence. They are coexisting. And for you to coexist without trust, it's better to be alone. Believe you me, whether you're a man or you're a woman. For you to coexist, it's better to live alone. When you live alone, your mind will be at peace. When you live alone, you will be more peaceful with your life and yourself. Your head will calm down more. You will focus better when you are living alone than when you are living with a person that is giving you reason for your mind to be divided into 20. To be thinking to say, is it telling me the truth? Is it lying to me? Why is it behaving like this? You don't know. If you cannot use your mouth to call your husband and say, come and sit down here with me, I want to talk to you. And you discuss openly your heart and everything, and you provide him evidence of saying, this is it, this is it. This is how things are supposed to be. He will never trust you. Never. Lie. And he will never love you. He will never love you. And if you be man, you know if you use your hand, call your wife, say, sit down, may you open up your inner mind to her. She will never love you. She will always have this double mind concerning you. They see you say, okay, you are my husband, you are there. People like you are a figurehead. And it's bad for a man to just be a representative, ordinary figurehead. Or a woman, for people to just know say woman, their house. Ordinary figurehead, you are just representing as a father. But the real thing is not there. This is why most relationships these days are suffering breakage. They suffer a lot of domestic violence and breakage. Now they cause that. The time when domestic violence they start for relationship, it started from accumulation of nonsense where person don't be either the man or woman. The man don't be a lot and be. Nobody will do domestic violence will never be a nonsense. Those people have tolerated. You don't tolerate. Don't say. Instead of that person walking out on time, you know, go walk out, go can't lead to domestic violence, where you can't make them become the news headline. You see, they will come become news headline. Oh, you have sent me the video. Thank you so much. I will check on it. Let me go to my WhatsApp. God bless you, brother. Wow, I don't see it. Wonderful. It go come lead to big wahala. Not be say people know they see relationship these days. They see. But the reason why people will continue and repeatedly be saying, I want a good woman. I want a good woman. We don't understand. We know they understand that. This is exactly what they will be looking for. Not be toto, they not see. Or belefun everywhere. If you want the chop of belefun, they go. You just the shop and they go. Now you go tired. That is why single mothers will tell you that it's for them. And that's the truth of the matter. Like many people, they talk, say, person will not build house. All the key. Julie, how are you, my darling? All the key of all the house where they been in at their own. I don't get house, but all the house where they been in, I me get them. Because I can check it to anyone, anytime. Not be my money. Anyone where I feel like renting, I go rent them. Now my own, I become a landlady of my very apartment. So if you don't build us all the house now your own, if you don't get husband, all the men where they outside, now you get all of them. Yes. Now you get all of them. If you don't get wife, all the women where single way they outside, now you get all of them. But it's not really what you are looking for. You are looking for your own personal one. We be say two of una go dey reason together now, they talk better thing. We go dey enter una here. This joy, there is a different joy that comes from it when you know that I have a person. And if you have a person in your life that you cannot trust, you don't trust that person, you are not trusting that person, you cannot do a candid conversation with that person. There's no relationship, my dear. Don't even pretend over it. Relationship is not there. That's not what they call relationship. Relationship na to they talk, to they mingle, to they do things together. Sincerity go dey there. I can carry my phone and somebody will come here and be talking to me about my man. I'll be saying, really? No, this one is not true. I don't believe this. This one nine. This one is not true. But by the time when I'll come, somebody will come to tell you about your own personal husband, you will come to say, you see this one? Don't be like, go feed do I know the kind of person will be. Don't be like my sister Watson. Don't worry, I go ask. I believe the way they behave, sometimes the man matter, they tire me. You think there's a relationship there? That one, a relationship with two of them for carrying knife one day, they'll kill themselves. That is it. It's only trust that will make a person to fall in love with you. That word love, I don't like using it these days because I'm seeing in lots and in lots of this our generation that is very fake. It's very fake. Yes. In this generation where we did, it's very fake. I don't know what happened to love, but it's there in very few cases, not be all. Yes, that's the truth of the matter. That's the truth of the matter. And the things where people want, say, make it they bring love. We normally talk about it every day. But human being that I am seeing, they are interested in other things. You want other thing, and you also want this one. So I love people who are outspoken. One good thing about genocide, although people say you get pride, or you get childish character, we are not going to fit us saying a lie. I notice that for a lifestyle, you get that kind of childish character somehow, and the thing inside. But you see that he has spoken life. I like him. And the kind of woman where genocide is supposed to go date or go say you want to go marry, if you feel like to say you and Winnie, you will not go even work again. It's a person like you, because you are a rugged boy. I don't know how to call it. You are not a pastor. You are not a pastor. So if somebody go fit change, maybe Winnie would have changed you. But you just need a woman who is just like you. Wait two of them go they go club, you go they bend. Go the check nyash for your belly phone. Bag, the whole world go the same. Crazy couples. Crazy couples. Like this Nigeria actress, what they call what is her name again? Anita something. That lady we get nice figure. Nigeria actress. She get big nyash where she get nice figure. She married one young guy like that. What two of them they craze for social media? Two of them they craze every day for social media. That girl is a crazy girl. Imagine a pastor coming to say, I'm asking for your hand in marriage. Or a man who is standing on the pulpit every time. Who is always coming to stand on the pulpit every time saying, you know, and he will not come and tell Anita Joseph to say, I want you to be in the mommy of my church. Miss priorities. How Anita Joseph wanted to follow up? This is what she like. It's different. What she wants is different. Anita Joseph, thank you. Anita Joseph. You don't see the way Anita Joseph did live her life. And she said one day to say, I am very happy because of the kind of man God breathed to me. If you are a crazy woman, you need a crazy man. Although sometimes God, they guy they get the way of, you get the way they miss and so that two of you can somehow live long. But the truth of the matter is that if you don't survive good 3 years together, that relationship you get as a be, not they go anywhere. There is an amount of small craziness that your wife will be able to be tolerating from you, and your husband will be able to tolerate from you. If not, it not go ever work. Sometimes I'll be looking at Anita Joseph, I'll just be saying, these people will go far in life. If you don't believe it, believe it. They will go far in life. They will go far in life. These people put their relationship in the public for us to be watching and seeing, like a camera. Hello.
Hello, Mama.
Ew.
Bye-bye.
I did live video.
Okay.
What's your name? Then put their relationship for public, maybe they see. Good afternoon, Mr. Jerry. Maybe they see so that they use until they learn. And as you are saying, do you know that you learn more when you see? As you they see, even you learn more when you see than when you talk. When you hear people talking. No. When they see all this demonstration where they happen for social media, that is when you even learn more. Crazy life. People learn from craziness more. You know? So if I watch Anita life, I'll say, a person where you want to take this girl common for this kind of life, she love craziness. And even if she born one, born two. Another person that is also like Anita, is also Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson love craziness, but there's one thing I'm noticing in that one. The husband is not like that. And that's why I sometimes, when I see them, I'll be praying for that marriage. I'll be praying for that marriage because the man is shy of craziness. He's very shy of craziness. He wants the wife to take him out of camera. He's shy of craziness. He does not like craziness like that. He's sometimes like this kind of... I don't know whether some of you have noticed it. I noticed it in their life. I noticed it. I saw it in their marriage. Mercy Johnson is the crazy type. If Mercy Johnson see husband way crazy like her, that girl, she will start wearing minigona, short knickers on screen. She will wait. Believe you me. She will do worse than Anita Joseph. You don't know that? Yes. Good afternoon. She will do it. Mercy Johnson wants to fly. She gets children. She has 4 children, yes, but she wants to fly. She gets weeks to fly. She feel like flying. She love flying. So many women, now the kind of husband when they marry, I do them like this. Now so it still be for men. Some men want to be doing some particular things, but because of partner where they carry the go, you want to say, oh, my partner does not like this thing. My partner don't they like this kind of thing. My partner don't want this one. That's what I saw in Mercy Johnson, husband. Sometimes if I'm looking at them when they take picture, when they are doing movies or they are doing stuff, I'll just be laughing. I'll say, I hope you don't hurt my sister. I hope Mr. Odianosin say you don't hurt Mercy Johnson. Because from the way where they look you know what her life is. You know who her life is. You know the way she wants to be flying and enjoying herself. You came and you went and now you want to be that time. You are still like, after how many years, 4 children, you cannot still, you know, you cannot still open up and be that free, I don't know what to call it, freelancer. You are not a cameraman, yes. You are not a person in front of the camera, but you have been in camera for many years. How many years when they married? You have been 4 children inside camera. You're still like, miss priority. For relationship, this is what they call miss priority. You see woman for live video, you see woman for screen, they sweet you, you like her, you want her. So I love Tonto DK, I love this one. By the time you enter her life, you don't want to be crazy with like her. You will not be saying I'm shy. The way she do things. What did you go to look for? Eh? What did you go to look for? You meet a club, you meet a lady in the club, you want to stop her from going to a club. Oh God, they check your priority very well. You know they know that. No. People can change people, but the truth of the matter is that people really change when they want to change, when they are tired of what they are doing, not when you want to change them. When you change them, they pretend to be what they are not, for you to be happy. Eh? For you to be happy, not because they want to make themselves happy, never. They are doing it for you to be happy. So anyone at the age of 18 years, we don't grow come on for your mama and your papa house, we change because of you, beware of that change. It's not a real one. That's why you see me on social media. I don't play with people where I know say now they hear people bullies. Then they be now lie. If they play with you tomorrow, they'll bite you again. They'll beat you. It's inside them. Mercy Johnson have a very big different kind of character. She wants to fly. I'm telling you, that thing where Anita husband they follow Anita they do. This is what Mercy Johnson wanted. I can read through their eyes. I can read through their character. This is what Mercy, this is the kind of life Mercy wanted. Person where be say you go wear what kind of clothes, your husband go they, you go they see, you go they help and they carry and they come for grant. He help and your husband go they, you know the husband will be also a screen diver. The husband will be flaunting her in front of camera, be able to hold her face, be able to kiss her, be able to carry her like a baby, be talking, you know. She's always like, sometimes when she look at the man, she'll be like, she'll be disappointed. I don't know if you have noticed it on screen. I've noticed it. There are men who are like that. It doesn't mean that they don't love the woman. It has nothing to do with love, to say they don't love you. But they will just be like, I beg. Slow down with this thing. This is not what I want. Slow down with this thing. They don't like those things. But me, we berita. I don't like her. Oh, guy, if you see woman where they fly, they go. You like and say you want to come follow woman where they fly, they fly. Make sure say you the join her, they fly. If you not the join her, they fly, you not go love you. You will they break her spirit every time. You will they break his spirit every time. You will they kill his spirit every time. Yeah? You met a woman in aeroplane traveling. These are people. This is a woman who like traveling. When they walk, when they holiday, go waka go here, waka go there, waka go there, waka go here. After I don't marry you, they tell and say, what you even, you know, let's be inside the house. Let's use this money for something else. That woman will never ever love you. Because we don't want compression in a dagmo. E wala we muri. Or now woman when you see and say for restaurant, she dey shop fish on top of table. They shop tilapia. Now you go to meet and say, wow, Rita, see tilapia where you put on top table. Walk back, go hero. Iwe wow, brother. Do debame, ou debame me we barrier. Mais il y a ya tilapia the restaurant tout we. And when tilapia we not over me. You see? You see when kids are involved, we just have to be careful what we do. When we get 50 years, we hope kids will be adults. Then we can start life back. Kids does not stop parents from enjoying their life. Yeah, it doesn't stop. In unity and in love, couples who really love themselves, you don't get everything kids. It's just a matter of understanding. Kids not they stop anything. Kids not they really they stop anything like that. It doesn't. It's a matter of understanding and love. Now waiting I see you. Say children, you can't get waiting them they stop. If your man or your woman, they always say because of children, it's a confused person. You see, because of children. Wait, what is it that children stop? Organize yourself. Huh? No, you don't get what children they stop. Never. God will give us children if he talk and say a blessing. Then if you are saying children are causing a lot of things, meaning you are not saying children is a cause. You are not saying indirectly or alternatively to say children is a cause. Or a child is a cause. No, a child is not a cause, it's a blessing. So anytime a child take home marriage, it can't join you and man and woman. It's a blessing. I'm not dead blessing. Now person where you see families where be say they'll take picture put for outside, it go carry more likes than one single person picture because it's a blessing. It's an added advantage to the family. You know they spoil anything. So now one thing when I see for relationship, now be that one. Let me play this video and listen to. Help me on this thing, madam. Let me on now. Let me on my Bluetooth and play this Dionosagi video. I did not see it, but somebody sent it for me. Thank you so much. It's like he took the video down. This one a blogger page where you for go see and so.
It is not a joke, and I need your serious advice. I think I need deliverance.
Wow.
People look at me from afar and think that Dionosagi is a Casanova. Maybe Dionosagi gets so many women.
Oga, now you say me we can't join your organization.
Because I know my self-worth. You understand? Not every woman that likes me or that claims they are in love with me, that I'm going to just say, oh, because she's in love. Joke, and I need your serious advice. I think I need deliverance.
Your serious advice. Okay, you get my own this afternoon.
People look at me from afar and think that Dionosagi is a Casanova. Maybe Dionosagi gets so many women, but it's not true. It is not true because I know my self-worth. You understand? Not every woman that likes me or that claims they are in love with me, that I'm going to just say, oh, because she's in love.
Let's share the video, my people. Share the video.
No, it's not going to happen. It is not going to happen.
He said, not be every woman where come my life, can say, oh, I like you, I like that. He said, that is not the kind of woman I will just go for. I'll say, wow, see Nyash, see my self-worth. He said, I know my self-worth. And some men, they take advantage of this very part of women. By the time you claim, or you show a man, or you tell him already, say you like him, you flirt around him, he will take you to bed. He doesn't want you. He don't have anything to do with you. He doesn't want to keep you. Some will lie to you. They will take you to bed. Yes. They will lie to you. They will devalue you. They will sleep with you. Some men are like that. If you
So today, 24 women.
If you open up, tell and say, not be said to just open up, use mouth, tell her. That's why you see some men will be telling you that I like a woman who open up, who tell me this, who tell me that. Yes, it's an easy access for them. You don't easy access now. You help the man. In a lot of job that he's supposed to do to talk to you, to convince you, he doesn't do all those things or pass through all those stress anymore. You just easy his access into your life. Sometimes can also be dangerous.
Are in love with me. 24 women around the world are in love with me, and I'm in love with 3. I'm confused. I need your help. Please cut this part and make it go viral.
All right,
I need your help. Genosage needs your help. Now Genosage, they help everybody. Now me need your help. 24 women around the world are in love with Genosage because I have a kind heart. I mean, any sensible person should be in love with Genosage. Loving, kind, hardworking, exposed, respectful. Most importantly, fear God. So any person with a sensible mind should be in love with Genosage. If you are a mother, you should be happy that your Genosage is associated with your daughter. If you are a young girl, then you should be happy to have a man like me. Not necessarily.
This one got some commenters irritated. They say, why you go? This one, now here the pride, the way they say it gets come from. If you are a mother, you should be happy that your child is associated with a person like Genosage or associated with me. I don't believe he necessarily mean him himself. A man like him, because he said I'm hardworking, I'm this, I'm that, I travel everywhere, I help humanity, I'm a helper, you know, I always listen to people, I always feel for people when they have problem, I solve them. So definitely a man will be like me. If your mama see and say you want to enter into the life of a man will be like me, she must be a happy woman because I am hardworking. I'm not coming to depend on your family fund. I'm not coming to depend on your life. I'm not coming to eat from you. I'm not coming to you come into my life and be blessed when you enter my life. But many people see it as arrogant, as not loyal. Let's finish listening to the video.
Me. So even me, if I be gay, I would date myself. If I was a female, I would date myself. So you gotta understand, so many women around the world, beautiful young women around the world, who will be opportuned to be with someone like Genosage, but it's not just gonna come like that. So if you're trying to hit at me and I'm not responding back to you, it doesn't require us to quarrel.
This is what they call confidence, my people. Now, what did they call confidence? Now, is this one, this investment. When some men hear this one from Genosage, they wanted to strangulate him. He really versed the way. Now, not John. Now, John is a saga master. If they do saga and they curse him, and you know they do and blah blah like other people think they do. But if everywhere quiet for social media at times, didn't you see we put a post and say why is everywhere quiet and people are not talking about me? Why is everywhere quiet and people are not talking about me? What Genosage did there is what they call saga. Now saga is just called see carrot topic gig volatile. Not everybody they talk about him because he doesn't want to come out of trend. He wants to continue to be the talk of the town and the topic that you will sit down and be talking about. Me go sit down and they talk about that. That is how people call saga. People where they call saga now this kind of thing that they do. When people are going here, they will go there. When people are going to the right, they will go to the left. They just constitute controversy. So that there will be controversy anywhere they will be talked about. And it gives them confidence. It makes them relevant. It makes them they feel say, oh, I'm still there. So that part of Genosage where they talk say he's too proud is a weapon, is a tool that Genosage is using to catch the public attention to him. If you don't know it. I know say he gets her naturally for his side down. That is why he's able to use it. Yes, he has it. It's his natural thing. He's a proud person. He's a person that has pride. And do you know one thing about Edo men? I'm sorry to use this. Edo men are proud people in nature. Nature gives them this quality by themselves. Proud. They are very proud. Hey! Genosage is a complete Edo man. Na blood day. A sagyonje. Na so them be. You cannot separate a complete Edo man from pride. Please, who are they that you can separate? Before a Edo man go give a wife slap, he go first say, me. You know, they are very proud. This one is natural in them. I know say this one will vex them too. But that is the truth. That's the truth.
Maybe I don't see my potential in you. So the thing that confusing, man. They rush me.
Okay.
Love me loud.
They rush me, and the women are continuing to rush him. Genocide, time is going. You need one woman to settle with in your life. I'm telling you the truth. Very soon you will come be a babawe guest de Zolavien. I'm telling you the truth. No one, because of what they will be hearing about you, although it's funny to you. Una say na only we will be women. I agbi kuri efua. Now only we that they use the true way. This time around, women are not using men and dumping them. If you don't know, believe me. This time around, where we did, so women don't care anymore. Some of them care about having children. When they have children already, that's all. They don't care about you as the man. Some women are like this. Very few women still have the morale of our old parents of those days to say, oh, I want a man beside me. I want a man. I'm not saying all, but 90% of Edo men are proud people in nature. They have ego. Ego is inbuilt, and they born ego. You understand? So, very few women, even women where they Africa safe, these days, very few they tolerate nonsense. Very few. That is why you see that the ones that will be willing, according to what you talk for this video, say some are willing to be second wives. For you to really know that they don't care about your love. They don't care about your heart. That's not what they care about. That's the women of these days that we are seeing. That your heart and your whatever. They don't, who cares? They don't care as long as you can flaunt them around, travel with them, do all those things. You think Regina Daniel went for love with Ned Nwoko? Ned was just having everything she wants, and she's happy. You think she cares about all those lovey na matter? Eh? A love no mirror plaje. You even use your mouth talk on here. No woman even want a love no mirror plaje this time around. Hmm?
They rush me, I beg. Me not take my music. Me not take my music, brother. I dey beg. Take it easy with Genosage. Genosage know where his heart is.
Ladies, did you see what I said before? I said this thing when I started my video. I said, ladies, be careful. He exposed himself in this video. Dion exposed himself. He said, take it easy with Genosage. Genosage know where his heart is. He said, I know where my heart is. The man I take it easy with me. This video will stand as an evidence tomorrow to tell you to say, Genosage knew where his heart is. Did I tell you my heart was with you? You understand? And you know one thing about men like this. They go for what they want and not for who want them. Not for who want them, oh. They go for what they want. It's because of the money. Somebody says it's because of the money. My dear, you see the way beauty they do women for head. When women are beautiful and are how do I say it? Dutch people will say zelfstandig. How do they say this word in English again? When a woman is beautiful and comfortable, she can be alone. She's beautiful, she's comfortable, she can be alone. You see that pride and arrogance where they enter their life. Now so it be with man where get money. Man where get money no care about ugliness. Forget what's ugliness. They don't know whether they're ugly. They are not even ugly, they are handsome. When a man has money, he's handsome. Everything change, his status change. Pride, it go come increase when man get money. Arrogance sometimes go come out. When man never even get money, you will not know the real character. That's the truth of the matter. You will never know the true character of a man when he does not have money. So, if you are dating a very poor guy who does not have anything, please, you have not known him. The character you are saying is not the... God gave them responsibility. He gave them the responsibility, made them they do. Say, you take care of bills, you take care of this, you have money in your pocket, you till the ground and make money. Help me call Daddy, give me the phone number. Give me the phone, let me talk to him. You till the ground. Eh? When you till ground finish, don't pick. Direct way at now. Hello. Yes. How are you, Daddy? Tell me. I'm on live video. Oh, I shouldn't go to the garage. Are you going to pick up the car? Oh, you pick it up tomorrow. All right. Thank you for telling me. All right, ciao. So you see, this, if he never get money, man never make money, never get money, his life never stand. In most cases, you know, they know their character. Oh, hey, this one not go vex them well, but that's the truth of the matter. You will not go know, my brothers and sisters. You will not know. Because of the nature of a man. Not that he's wicked. No, he's not wicked. Because of the nature of a man, the way God created them. God created them with responsibilities. God created them. That is why he told them to say, you will till the ground and work. And you will bring money out of it to feed your family. So when that money go don't come, you see their ego, everything, pride. You change. You don't go even know again. You get one woman those days, when come they tell me, they Nigeria, the woman say, he can't born for a boy, we not get anything. Now he born for. Nothing. Boy, the boy now, all these people where they do bricklayer, he have never even touched better money one day. Say better money. He say one day, say he brother for America just carry money come, the boy take travel, to start to do traveling work. The brother where they America carry money come. He say immediately money join enter his boyfriend pocket. Jesus, he come they look and say, now boy, when me born for be this one? I don't know this boy again. Everything just changed. Character changed. The way he was not talking, the way he was not behaving. And not be you work this money, or they only just send that for you, you put for pocket. That money that he was seeing over there and sitting on, the kind of confidence where they get to say, I beg, if you know, this is the nature of men. And women also, for women's side, now beauty, young age and beauty, they enter women's head. When woman too fine, when she too set, and when she's very succulent and young, she dey see herself for mirror. She's receiving praises from men and women. They also they enter women's head. But naturally for men and money, man wey never get money, never make money, you no go ever know the kind way character be for this life. Like forget it. Until when money go start to dey come, that is when you will know your husband. Or that's when you will know the kind of person you are with. Not the person will never even get anything. You come to talk say, he love me, humble, he loyal. All those one are nothing. If you don't dey touch a go, money, obele go, you know, you don't dey touch am. You don't dey touch am, they touch am. And that time you go know say, oh, Biana, this man, he really love me. Oh. This man really care. Let me tell you ladies one thing. The reason why ladies must be really serious about themselves. You have to be really serious. No, it's 3 o'clock. You have to be really serious about yourself as a woman 100%. If you wait, say your man will go make money, go come do this one for you, do that one for you. No man will ever do that for you. No woman can ever eat the money of a man alone. Only you as a woman. Now you go eat man money till you die. Now lie. If men have money, one woman does not eat their money. Not be one woman they chop man money. When men have money, many women eat that money. When one man have money, many women and they gather chop am. It doesn't mean whether you are the wife, whether they pay your bride price, or whether they not pay your bride price, or whether you born 3,000 children for her. Only you does not eat the money of your husband. Never. Other women join you to eat it. If they don't eat it in the location where you are, they eat it in another place. It's only a woman money that only the husband can eat. No other person will join. No other person eats the money of that woman. Now only a husband, now they eat the money and the children. Only a woman. But when it comes to a man, now lie, another woman they join you chop that money. He said that a girlfriend or he said that friends. You know men now with their ego. Man wey get money, he don't want to see a woman cry to them. When a woman just cry, bros now, bros, you know this, that. That's their nature. They are carers in nature. God made them to be carers. People who are on top. So not be because they love you or because they don't love the other person. So that's why you have to be financially also strong and taking care of yourself and care about yourself very, very well before you want to come and be securing the property and securing your husband, securing this one. Humans are humble when they are hungry. Yes, that's the nature of human being. So you yourself on your own, you need to be very comfortable because your money is for you and your family, and your husband own is for everybody. Girlfriend though, side chick, yes. Whether girlfriend, side chick, everyone, baby mama, yes. There are some men right now, they are not with you again. They be baby mama. You are their baby mama. He go marry another woman. If you just smile to land where, he go still give you money.
Okay.
Ciao. If you smile to land where, he go still put money for your account. You don't know. But you will be woman. Man, wait, don't dump you, don't follow another woman. He go say, may you give her money. You know how they be for ear. He go hungry, you may you go buy better slap. Take slap her. Say, what are you talking about? You left me to go and meet another woman. You want me to help you, to give you my money. Very difficult. 99 women out of 100 will never do it. They don't release that money. You like you die for prison. That is how women are. You like you die for prison. They will not care about you. But men, because they are natural carers. Good afternoon, how are you from Victor? Good afternoon. Because a man is a natural carer. If you want to say, if you are a single woman, if you say a lie talk, your baby papa will don't fit dump you. Just follow and smile and can smile. Follow and laugh. You get wife for us, whether I don't give you money. Follow and laugh with respect and talk to them. Well, that's what they want. Respect, love, loyalty. Follow and just talk. When are you cussing and you was misbehaving? See what you can't do. See this one. That money you go collect them for your hand. They go give you. That's what they want. That's why they always talk and say, man money, not be one woman, get her. It's for everybody. Whether it's your husband or it's not your husband. It's for everyone. Everyone boof it. And everyone eats it to the end of this life. But now only your own, and be for your children, for your husband, and for your family. Only your own. But the man own is general. So you have to be strong. You have to be financially strong. Oh. So that no one may go, no work about family, where they here. Because all that from where if mama go chop inside, if papa go chop inside, girlfriend go chop inside, side chick go chop inside. The person where they gotta go school, if you just jam out today online, they start to the talk. Next month you don't chop inside. Not true, now they tell you so. Next month or never. Next month you don't chop inside. Now so it be. The girl go just give her one kind smile, laugh for and tell and say, oh, your guy go come you, go give him water. But when woman come, he bring out Hennessy. Yes, now. Okay, I'll show you how to buy slap. Then the best slap for market. Go borrow person and join your own when you go hear some kind of nonsense. So that is it. The nature of men and women. Now, when woman don't know the nature of men, now even they carry headache for man matter. Man is not for only you. It's for everyone. If you start thinking like this, you will never have a problem in your relationship or marriage. But if you say some women want to fight you, they want to fight you, they want to tell you to say, oh, no, it's my man. It's only if you have this mentality, you will never have a problem. A man can love only you, yes, but he will love only you as a wife for a particular reason. You know, they are carers in nature. You will just be there with him. He loves you. You have children for him. Even when you don't have anything, men are considerate. When they give you money, they know they use and laugh you. It's their nature. When they do something for you, they know they use and disturb your life. They don't worry you because of what they do for you too much. Now, woman, they worry man because of what you do for her. Because you know, it's only that man that you are doing that thing for. You don't do it for 2 or 3 people. It's easy for you to accept. Imagine me right now, just coming out to say, I want to give my husband 3,000 euros. Or I want to solve this problem. It's my husband. I solve this problem with all my heart because I know it's for me. I want him to be for only me, not for any other woman. Then after solving this problem, I see him flaunting himself with another woman. I want to kill him. You guys, when women will be turning to devil, they will start behaving like Satan. To say, so what did me do for you? You go to use until they praise another woman. This one is the life of a woman. But you see men, man go fit give you that money. He go give another woman. So the one way give you not go use and stress your life. You not go use and bother you. You not go laugh you. You not go tell you say, did I buy pants for you? Did I buy trousers for you? If they do me now, even for inside this house. Now me they tell my husband, say, did I help you did this one the other day? How many you do for me in a day? Sometimes he will just be laughing. Have you forgotten your mind? This is how it is. So that is why, if you have the mentality of saying, thank you, factory. If you have the mentality of saying or knowing in your head to say, men, now so their life be. It's not for only you. You'll be a happy woman. You'll never be frustrated. You'll never be disappointed. but you just be a natural person with a knowledge. You have a broad knowledge of who a man is. Man, where they follow you right now. If he ex-wife call and you know they ask him for money, go give him. You go give him that money. I'm telling you the truth. If the wife know the tricks of talking to that man, if he know the tricks of entering into him, even when he's still with you at home, he will collect that money from that your husband, and she will spend it, and you will not even know. The day you will know, now that day night will be the new thing for you. Now that day go surprise you, but that woman has been eating that money for a very long time. Somebody say, yes, we love our wife for some reasons. Our wives still have that special place in our heart, but we still give other women. Is that not a man who is talking right now? They give other women. All this natural thing, don't allow it to bother you. Now, me they talk, say, I have 24 women are loving me. Because I'm a good man, I'm this, I'm that. This is one thing that makes them to shit. This is one thing that makes them to cheat. That's what they are. That is who they are. Wow, if you come home, a basket of yeah. If you want to be happy in the future, make sure you are working on your own self so that you'll be good. Because as your man is seeing that you are upgrading, you are doing good thing, you know how to make money, you know how to respect him. Because now that respect, they know they separate them from inside. You know, doing your things and minding your business, in short, just minding your business. I call them minding your business. My ex still they send me money. She I fit collect am sha. Oh, if you don't marry, it's not good to collect it. If you are still single, collect it. Why not? Is that that's what we are discussing now. Your ex will get wife for us, but if you want to collect money for her, you still collect. Now the nature of men, not be even only you, even the ex will fair know before you. If that one wants to collect money for you, and you go still collect. Now so then be just a matter of talking way. Finish. It's just a matter of knowing the right thing to tell your husband, but don't collect him money. That's all. And your husband will not tell you because he don't want you to be angry.
You go Canada, you go America, you go Europe, you go Nigeria. No, Nigeria also was passed. Now people, now the Nigerian toasting. Girls not the play these days, oh. If you see the way Nigerian girls say they toast, Nigerian girls say they toast Yankee boys these days, you go hello now straight up toasting now. Funny enough, a lot of women living in Nigeria do not mind being a second wife.
Happy.
It's the truth. A lot of young women living in Nigeria do not mind to be a second wife to someone who can sustain them and pay their bills.
Very true. Very true.
This is a fact. So many women living in Nigeria do not mind marrying a person who can help them survive. Somebody that they can help them have a future. That is how backward our country, Nigeria, is.
When country bad, when country they divided, when country spoil, poverty can cause a lot of things these days. So Jonas Ake is saying many women are not even minded. They want to be second wife. Oh God. Somebody want to be your husband, third wife. Believe me. Actually, we do videos some 2 days ago for Isa Kitchen here. You see women calling to say you want a pa, you want a nogi, you want this one. If it be joke for you, you fit to say not true, not lie. But if we say Anna, if we say women, we will not be saying all the women in the whole world. No. We'll be talking about good amount of women. That is when people will not be concerned. You know, when something is now more than proportional, like people, they raise alarm to say, yes, this thing. Good amount of women, they don't care being a second wife if you can take care of them this time around. I'm telling you, they prefer to marry a man who have wife already and can take care of them, and they know that he have wife. They know the status of this man. It's about knowing status. I know your status to say you have a wife. I can marry you. You take care of me. Than the one where I don't know the status, you cannot buy my pampers. You can't buy my hair. You can't buy my glove. You can't even join me to pay bills. Only me. If a woman struggle and suffer too much, she don't last long. Any woman who suffer too much, financial, for everything about finance, now only the woman they do, and then they feel they die before their husbands. Their husband will be alive, they will die. While the husband will be there taking care of the children. Because mentally you are dead. Only you now go carry bees. Only you now go carry this one. Only you now go think about her strength. Only you now go before you see it early in the morning. If a man is lazy, God made their wives their husband. He normally make the men strong. If you have a lazy husband, God will give you the anointing to be strong so that you can feed the family as a woman. That is when you now see women behaving like a man. 5 o'clock in the morning, you don't jump out. This one, you don't jump out. The other one, if then they do corn, you did there they roast. If then they do this one, you there and they roast. No support. And that money, most women will be like that. You know they see the money for their body. They make money, but you don't see it on their body. When a woman makes money too much and you know they see the money for a body, now your husband will chop her. The husband is a lazy man. A lazy baron. Now he marry. Some people are baron inside laziness. Some men are baron. They are chefs. They are boss inside laziness. They are blessed with the gift of laziness. You don't know? Some men are blessed with the list of. God forbid, me woman not go marry man where is blessed inside laziness. Now you will be wife who can't use man tell and say you need to look for work. This your work finished. Don't you think you need to look for another one? Don't you think you need to? That's a man who you will die before that man. Because now only you they think. Here, if here to carry loads, you can die before your time. But when a woman is hustling for money, and she will be happy. A woman will be say man they support. Even though say she they make money, she they run around, you will see the money for your body and she will be happy. The happiness will follow. You will see it because she's spending the money for herself. She have, after spending for the man family, she have enough for her own self. To take care of herself, then she'll be happy. But you see the one where man not they even the support at all. No support from a man. They run around, they look for money, they make money, still they are not happy. The jealous women like them, but now they make money pass. These are the women who normally die before their time. They're not they last long. They're not they last long. Any woman where husband not they support, not they last long. It's the truth. If you are married to a man that is not supporting you, you will not last long. You will die young. Because the life we are living is full of stress. You need to pay bills, students, children's school fees. Money comes every day. There will be something to use money for. It will always be coming. And it's only you that is thinking about it. Just know it in your heart that you are not going to last long. Love is not everything. A single person is better than you.
It hurts me, man. If you look at the amount of women living in Nigeria, man, if you don't go out in Lagos, please, I encourage you to go out. If you're in the island area, go to a place called Farm City in Lekki. Go to a place called Farm City in Lekki. When you see the amount of women there at night, first will tell you, say, man, this country don't finish. Don't be loud. Don't be confused. Go for the one you like and don't forget to put them into test. Now that.
And let me tell you, this video also, what Dion do, I don't believe in this video. To me, this video is a scam. I don't believe in it. Will I call it scam? This video is fake. I'm just saying my own analysis, the way I see it. This video is not true. Although Dion Osage is a proud person, but this video is not true. Because if this video be true, the time when Dion Karen come at he put in and Winifred for there. This one is just the way of telling the wife to say many women are running after me, oh. Because that pride way they say he cannot just go and humble himself and say, Winnie, please come back to me and go and beg it the right way and collect the woman that he really loves. Yeah? He just want to do all this online chakara so that when he go come see and go say 24 women. Hey, the man when I leave, 24 women they rush him. Because he talk and say now then they rush him for his side there. 24 women they rush this man. If you separate with a man for some reason, you will come the year say 50 women they rush him. How you will come feel? Man, when me say me I won't leave, 50 women just they rush him for that side. It can't pay. Do you know that people who really dump you, if they dump you, they have joy when nobody comes for you. And men, when they dump you, they have joy. They are very happy when nobody comes for you. When your life liquidates, when man dump you, when man dump you finish, most of them, the joy where they inside their heart, when they will say you frustrate, you liquidate, is very big. Especially men. Somebody say, John, what you go find for there? You go enjoy that. You don't enjoy. They are very happy when they will come see and say, because they will come to use until they zerate. We get that more. Yeah, quabi na me ati. Oye ba masolo bi yage lo yo ye jalo yezuzo. Oni wa kpolo ya gbo awudo, oni wa yezu. You know, Mockery. Some men like this kind of thing. When they dump you, they'll come say you don't go anywhere. He doesn't have any reason to come do like this. Come to regret say the reason why I left you. But a man go come to tell her and say, I'm even happy to leave her. See her. Now so I for day with her and I go come frustrate. Some of you, your ex are regretting somehow. They don't know how to come back. Because they come to see say, since when they leave you, hey, you go forward. Even the hair where you know they wear before, you come they wear now. Even the joy where you know they your life before you come there. Motor where you know they drive before you come the driver. Jazza where you know they wear before you come the wear. Handshake where you know they fit buy for market, you come they buy her. Yeah? Hey! Gucci where you know they wear before you come they wear. Nothing where you pay my person. E me no be dope we have that nani. Erag no na. When you go see say he dump you, you come cute. And you are the speck of all men. They are ready to die for you. They don't like it. They pay the way. And men normally don't want to dump you. Oh, darling, how are you? You're welcome. Wash after you have eaten. But don't increase the volume. Eh? They don't normally want to dump you when they see that many people want to rush you. Like they know they dump you that time. They want to dump you when your teeth don't fall. When nobody wants you again. You see? When one of your eye don't big pass one. When you don't liquidate. When you know they get money again. When you know they fit comb your hair again. You don't make zaka. Nothing day again. That time you come see and say, oh, when it pass you, I want by more. Now that kind of time some men they leave some women. The time when you were the beg them, they tell and say, Bella go do we man go along. We see me again now. Leave me alone. That time, like no go leave you. You read ba we come motor by say kakabo. Now I make a way be say they pay women well. When men go leave them, what kind of condition? You go come say. So after you have rocked me and drive me into my 50 years, now you can't talk say I don't be again. Eh? After you don't make me born for my belly don't be iya patillon. My nyash don't see your balele don't full ground if I don't use gym pack.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully